Welcome everyone to the Grow Shop channel. Today we're going to be covering the Cannatrol Cool Cure. This thing is a game changer for growers. I'm going to be covering some of the pros and cons of this product in this video, so stay tuned. Now, before we start with the pros, I'm going to cover what's inside the box that comes with the machine. So first thing is the manual. You get some stickers. You get a drip tray, which attaches to the back of the machine. You get a PVC cup with a sponge inside. You get 2 sets of keys to lock the machine. You get a duster. And then last but not least, you get the screen that goes on top of the machine and a stylus to control it. You can also press it with your finger. And now for some general information. This machine will provide ideal drying, curing and storage for your post-harvest phase. All you have to do is place the product on the shelf, wait 4 to 8 days, and when you come back you will have the perfect product that retains its terpenes and potency. Cannatrol recommends to have the dry cycle at 20 degrees and 12 degrees dew point, and for the cure cycle, the start temperature at 20 degrees and the dew point at 11 degrees. And for storage, the start temperature at 20 degrees and dew point at 12 degrees. The speed at which this thing cures and dries is quite a stark difference to the 1 month that it usually takes with other forms of drying and curing. And this is all done in one machine. So, if that has you interested, let me first cover some of the pros of this machine. This machine is very compact. It's 71 centimeters in height and 82 centimeters with the screen on top of it. It's 45 centimeters in width and 52 in depth. It weighs at 23 kilograms. It pulls 70 watts of power out of the wall. It keeps your product away from pests and mold, and it has 6 adjustable shelves. For dry load, it holds from 1.8 kilograms to 2.2 kilograms. And for wet load, you shouldn't exceed 1 kilogram. It preserves terpenes and potency of your product, which will leave your product sticky, supple and tasty for months and months to come. And it's low noise, it's only 35 decibels, which is equivalent to a normal freezer. Now for the cons. This machine has no app control, which means you don't know if you have to add water to your dry sponge or if your drip tray is filling up, meaning you will have to maintain some form of alertness and check it from time to time, which for some it's not a huge issue, because in other forms of drying and curing you have to do the same. The second con is that the machine is quite expensive, although I do believe it's worth every penny. This thing will save you a lot of time and hassle, and within a month or two you will notice for yourself how much time this thing has saved you. So overall I do believe it's a good investment. If you are in the Europe region, there is only 2 shops selling this product at the moment, and we happen to be one of them. So I will leave a link down below in the description and a link up above. So that about covers it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and comment down below what other products you'd like us to cover next. Happy growing!